Good morning, students. Today, start a new lesson. That is lesson number 10, motion and measurements of the distances. Lesson number 10, motion and measurements of the distances. See, students, in the ancient time, the man used to move only on foot and carry goods either on his back or on the back of some animals. In the ancient time, man used to move only on foot and carry the goods either on his back or on the back of some animals. ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಚೀನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಥಳದಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸ್ಥಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದಂದ್ರೆ ತನ್ನ ಕಾಲ್ನಡಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ವಿರಳ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಥಳದಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸ್ಥಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಹಾಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಸರಕುಗಳನ್ನು, ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೀಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಟು ಅನದರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸಮ್ ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ಸ್. ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳ ಸಹಾಯದಿಂದ ಅವುಗಳ ಬೆನ್ನಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಸರಕುಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇರಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಥಳದಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸ್ಥಳಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಕುಗಳನ್ನು ಸಾಗಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ತಾನೇ ಆ ಒಂದು ಖುದ್ದಾಗಿ ತಾನೇ ಆ ಸರಕುಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸ್ಥಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. A great change in the mode of a transport was made. A great change in the modes of a transport was made. First of all, by the invention of the wheel. By the invention of a wheel. And also by the invention of the steam engine. By the invention of the steam engines. After that, a great change mode of transport was made by the evolutions, by the invention of the wheels, by the invention of the steam engine. So this type will be the man's made means give the solutions for these problems. ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ವಿಕಸನವಾಗ್ತಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ನೀವು ವೀಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಗಾಲಿಗಳನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತಾನೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಸ್ಟೀಮ್ ಇಂಜಿನನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೀಮ್ ಇಂಜಿನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಗಾಲಿಯನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವಂಗ ಸರಕನ್ನು ಸಾಗಣೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಸರಕನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಥಳದಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸ್ಥಳಕ್ಕೆ ಕಳಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ನಾವು non-standard measures. See students, before starting non-standard measures, I will tell one thing. So after the invention of the wheels, the man do the transportations, do the transport in the water media also. The goods are carried from one place to another place in the water media. It means in the sea or in the river with the help of the boat, with the help of the boats, with the help of the big ships. And also nowadays the aeroplane also inventions. In that time also in the air media, the goods and the peoples are transferred from one place to another place, move from one place to another place, move from one country to another country. Goods are carried from one country to another country with the help of the aeroplanes also, and also so many vehicles also. So these type will be the transport worked in the three media. One is water media, air media, and the terrestrial media. Okay, now see the non-standard measures. The length of the steps, arms, hands or fingers. Length of the steps, arms, hands or fingers of different peoples are different. Therefore, the distance measured with the help is not always reliable. The distance measured with their help is not always reliable. These methods are therefore called non-standard measures. See one more time. The length of the steps, arms, hands or fingers for different peoples are different. Therefore, the distance measured with their help is not always reliable. These methods are therefore called non-standard measures. Are called non-standard measures. So this is about the non-standard measures. Now see the standard measures. Measures that are the same all over the world are known as standard measures. Measures that are the same all over the world are known as the standard measures. Are known as what? Standard measures. So for examples, you know already about that standard measures. Yes or no? See students, for examples, your pencil, take your pen, take any examples, your notebook, textbooks and pad. So how you measure? By the inch, by centimeter, yes or no? So this type of we can measure that length of the book, length of the compass, length of the matchbox, whatever it may be, but with the help of the standard measures. ಸೊ ನೀವೊಂದು ಈ ಬುಕ್ ತಗೋರಿ, ಒಂದು ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ತಗೋರಿ, ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಒಂದು ಪೆನ್ನನ್ನು ತಗೋರಿ, ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ತಗೋರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡೆಸ್ಕ್ ತಗೋರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಚ್ ತಗೋರಿ, ಏನೋ ತೊಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಲೆಂತ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಇದೆಷ್ಟೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ. ಹೌ ಯು ಮೇಜರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಒನ್? ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಜರ್ ದಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಜರ್ಸ್. ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಮೀಟರ್ ಐತಿ, ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಇಂಚ್ ಐತಿ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಫೀಟ್ ಐತಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್? ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಮೇಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಜರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ. In the October 1916, the 12th General Conference on the Weight and the Measures adopted the international systems of the unit. In the October 1916, the 12th General Conference on the Weight and the Measures adopted the international systems of unit. The system international units. The system international units is a set of units to maintain uniformity all over the world. All over the world. Listen to me, students. In the October 1960, in the October 1960, the 12th General Conference on the Weight and the Measures adopted the international system of units. Adopted the international systems of the unit. The system international units. The system international units is the set of units to maintain uniformity all over the world. All over the world. See students, first one you can see the meter. You already heard that sound word. That is which one? There is a meter. It is a standard unit of a length. The symbol of a meter is a small m. So meter is the standard unit of a length. The symbols of a meter is a small m. You can see the students, that is a meter scale. It is what? That is a meter scale. It is a standard unit of a length. The symbols of a meter is a small m. small m. See that a meter scale. See the meter scale. See, each meter, it means small m is divided into hundreds equal division are called centimeter. It means cm, small c, small m. So each meter is divided into 100 equal division. Each meter is divided into 100 equal division called centimeter. It means cm. So each centimeter has a 10 equal division, that is called millimeter. It's a very important. So what do you mean by centimeters? In the each meters divided into 100 equal division are called centimeter. It means cm. So each centimeter has a 10 equal division called millimeter. mm, small m, small m. Understand what do you mean by millimeter and what do you mean by centimeter and what do you mean by meter? In the 1 meter, you can see that in 1 meter you can divide it into 100 equal division called centimeter. It means cm. So each centimeter has 10 equal divisions are called millimeter. So this is about the millimeter and the centimeters. So thus 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So I already told in each meters m is divided into 100 equal division. 100 equal division. So that's why this is called as centimeters. So see, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So each centimeter has a 10 equal division are called millimeters. See, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. 10 millimeters. So this is about the meters, centimeters and the millimeters. Now see, for measuring a large distance, a meter is not convenient. Meter is not convenient. For measuring a large distance, meter is not convenient. In it, we define a large unit. We will define a large unit of length. It is called kilometer. That is a km. That is what? Kilometers. For measuring a large distance. For one area to another area. For one city to another city. For one place to another place. For measuring a large distance, meter is not convenient. In it, we define a large unit of length. It is called kilometer. It is called kilometer. So 1 kilometer is equal to 100 meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 100 meters. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter. So simply multiplies of unit that are used for the measurement of the larger distance area, the multiples of SI unit. This is what? SI unit. For example, deca, hecto, kilo. Deca, hecto, kilo. So 1 decameter is equal to 10 meter. 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Understand? 1 decameter is equal to 110 meter. 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay. So sub multiples of units. The units used for measuring a smaller distance are the sub multiples of SI units. For examples, milli, centi, deci. For example, 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeters. 1000 millimeters. So see students, today we are discussed about the sub multiples of units, and also we are discussed about the standard SI units, for example deca, hecta and kilo, and the sub multiples SI units like milli, centi, deci, and also we are discussed about the meter scale, and we are discussed about the standard measures, and we are discussed about the non-standard measures. So this is about your today syllabus. I will continue next class. Thank you.